Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Gabriel Medeiros. If you don't know me, I'm from Brazil, Fortaleza, Ceará. I work with photos and graphic designs, and today I'm gonna talk a little bit about my equipments in 2021. Okay, let's go. The first thing I want to show my backpack. It's really important you have some place to fit everything and to carry on your trip, on your day, in your job, whatever. So this one is called uh, Bag Smart. I bought on Amazon for about $60, and it's like a urban backpack. In the top you have just nothing, just just a place to fit another thing, but in the bottom you have place to fit your gear, your lens, your camera, everything. And all my gear, all my cameras, I prefer to practicity to take everywhere, like my drone, like my camera. So I don't have a lot of things, but I can do everything with I have. And the first thing that you should have for photos is the camera, right? I have the Sony A6000. Uh, this is this is incredible camera. It's still incredible camera. I know that is not so new camera, but it's still worthy for me. I take more shots, I take more pictures than video, so the more important to me is photograph. So uh, the choice about the A6000 make more sense to me than A6500 was 6100. But I hope to change someday, not because the 4K, but because the stability inside that this one doesn't have, and this one is just 1080. So let's talk about this. I'm not the 4K guy because if you are filming 4K, you need all the environment to take a 4K video. You have get better computer, more SD cards, more memories, more everything. And for the job that I take, I don't need so much 4K. Let's talk about the drone. I have a DJI Mini, DJI Mavic Mini 1. It's already they have the 2, Mavic Mini 2, but again, I don't use 4K, so it's not a big deal to change this one to the Mavic Mini 2. Uh, and why I don't get the Mavic Air? I hope someday I want to buy the Mavic Air too. I saw the was amazing. Cameras have amazing. So, uh, something that is really important to me about this drone is because this one is not actually drone, because I have a 249 grams. That doesn't mean that I can take everywhere, and doesn't need documents to fly this one. So that's why this is so important to me, because I love to have a trips and filming everywhere. So this doesn't cause any problems like a big drone like a Mavic Pro or Mavic Air. Another things that I have that I love is the DJI Osmo Action. I had the GoPro Hero 7, but I love it. Okay, was amazing. I have an amazing stability, but sometimes I have to see myself on the screen. So in the GoPro, I lost so many videos because was some wet, have a some dirty on the lens, and I lost the all video and was not seeing myself in the camera. So the DJI is incredible about this. I have a chance to buy the Hero 9, but it's not so big deal for me because I don't care about 5K. I don't care about 4. Why I should buy 5K? So the Osmo Action have an incredible stabilization, better than a Hero 7, so it's really impressive. I know that it doesn't have a wider lens like a GoPro, but for action cam and a daily camera, uh, the Osmo One is incredible. So let's talk about lens. I have a 30mm 1.4 from Sigma. It's a really good lens, sharper and lighter than anyone that I had. So it's my favorite one, and I take it for everywhere. I know I have a crop sensor, so I prefer to get a wider lens like this one. This is the 7.5mm from 7 Artesians 2.8. It's really wide. It's, it's it's more than a GoPro. It's incredible wide. Uh, the truth is, I love this one because it's portable. Take everything you need. Like if you know, if you like nature photography, urban photography, landscape, architecture, this one is amazing. Really, I love this one. Uh, and for the last lens that I bought is this one, 50-100. I know this is a cheap lens, but it's enough for me because I don't have any other one that is zoom lens, so this one will help me to get a closer shots. It's a dark lens, but thanks God I have a Sony, and the Sony, you know, I can take the ISO. I can take the ISO like 4000 and get no noise. So this one I can take some shots with this one with no problem in the dark. It's not so sharp than should be like Sigma, but again I prefer a wider lens, so this one's just to help me to take closer shots. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed my channel. You can see some videos that I took with my drone, with my camera, and you can see my Instagram and see some photos. And later I'm gonna get some more videos speaking English. And see you later. Peace.